Hi everyone, it's Maria from Creative Grids, and today I want to talk to you about our 45mm rotary cutter. It comes in this sleek case along with a carrying case so you can see what you're getting, and it is a wonderful tool to add to your collection. The sleek red handle is made from zinc alloy. It adds weight and balance to the cutter, so less pressure is needed when cutting, and that reduces hand and wrist fatigue. The handle sits nicely in the palm of your hand, and this allows the weight of the cutter to tip towards the blade where the weight is needed to improve your cutting experience and accuracy. The comfortable handle makes it easy to hang on to. With your index finger extended on the grip ridges, you have total control on the direction the cutter rolls. Ample anti-slip fingertip grip allows you to adjust how you hold it to suit the size of your hand and length of your fingers. Ambidextrous cutting. No more switching the blade from one side of the handle to the other. Simply toggle the switch to the R for right-handed cutting or to the L for left-handed cutting. No need to switch the blade from one side to the other. The safety guard is operated with your thumb. It locks into place with an audible click to ensure the cutter is safely closed. Simply press the improved toggle button down and toggle it to the right or to the left for cutting with either hand. Then toggle it back to the center to lock the guard in place. We've adjusted the toggle slightly to make it easier to use, but still maintain safety when the guard is opened or closed. The rotary cutter is designed to work well with the Creative Grids Stripology rulers, as well as all of the rulers and templates in our line. There is plenty of clearance between the guard and the Stripology rulers. The quick change blade feature is a simple slide of the tab on the back of the handle to release the post and the blade. Carefully remove the dull blade and replace with a new one, and position the post back onto the handle and slide that tab in place. The cutter comes with the protective zippered case. Got a spot for the rotary cutter and an extra pocket for replacement blades or marking pens or whatever you want to carry along to class. For best results, use Creative Grids replacement blades. A variety of replacement blade packs are available. Be sure to go to our website to view the various options. It also accommodates most 45mm replacement rotary blades. I say most because I haven't found one yet that doesn't work with our handle. This is not sold in chains. You'll only find them in your local quilt shops, or use our Where to Buy feature on our website to shop one of our trusted online partners. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to stay up with the latest in Creative Grids.